Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday filming makeup routine. So the first thing that I'm using is the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer, and then I'm using the Marc Jacobs Genius Gel Foundation, which I use a lot, but I don't use it every day. I don't know why, but I mean it's really light and it's full coverage. I know it's a little pricey, but to be honest, I feel like this is the best high-end foundation that I've ever tried. So I use that after I apply primer. Then I'm using my all-time favorite concealer, which is from Kat Von D, but like the branding label has actually peeled off for some reason. So I only use a little bit because a little bit goes a long way. Then I blend it out with my Urban Studio blending sponge. So I've been using this CoverGirl Clean Matte Pressed Powder on my face, and I think it's really good actually because I'm very oily and I have trouble with finding a powder that controls my oily skin, and I think that this is like the perfect one. Then I'm using my all-time favorite contour palette, which is the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette, and I'm using these two contour shades and the three under eye powders, I guess you can call. I don't know what they're called, but I'm just applying them on my face. But I'm using the under eye powder first, and then I contour second. And in the winter, I'm normally like this pale, so I like to use a contour shade that makes me look a little warmer and tan and a little bit more alive, because to be honest, I look like a ghost in this video right now. Then, since it left like a harsh line, I decided to blend it out with my sponge. So I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Party. Then I'm using the Tarte Skin Twinkle Volume 2 Lighting Palette, which is the highlighter palette, of course. And I'm using these two darkest shades on my cheekbones, or my non-existing cheekbones, because to be honest, I really don't have cheekbones. So I'm just like highlighting where they would normally be. And I also highlight my nose because I think it's cute, I guess. I don't know. And then I'm using my Cargo Cosmetics Around the World eyeshadow palette. And I'm using these shades. So I'm using the color Shanghai as a transition color. And I'm just blending it out on my crease. Then I'm using the shade Madrid. Can't stop staring at those ocean eyes, burning cities and napalm skies. And I'm blending it out with my MAC eyeshadow blending brush. Then I'm using the shade Toronto. Then I'm using the shade London as a highlighting shade on the center of my eyelids. And I'm using the shade Amsterdam as well. And New York. and Paris. Then I'm using my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Shape and Fill eyebrow pencil, and I've been loving this lately because I love my bushy eyebrows, and I just fill them in as normal, and I just try to make them look natural. I don't like dramatic eyebrows on myself, but yeah, I just brush them out and then fill them in as usual. So if you guys want like a total brow routine, then just comment that down below. Then I use my concealer again to like clean up my eyebrows after that, so that they look a little more decent and presentable. Then I'm using my all-time favorite mascara, which is Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I love it. It makes my eyelashes look so nice, and I don't even need to wear like false eyelashes because the formula is amazing. It's thick and fluffy, and it makes my eyelashes look like a lot bigger and longer and fuller. Then I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Velvet Glide On Eye Pencil, and I'm using it on my like tight line, I think it's called. I don't know. I think it is the tight line, so I'm just filling it in like that. And then I'm using my MAC lip liner in the color or shade Cultured. I'm also using my Tarte lip paint in the shade Birthday Suit, and it is a matte liquid lipstick, and I love it. I love the shade. It's perfect, and it does not dry out my lips like others normally do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and obviously please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. We're gonna be alright.